Welcome to Foundry Point, located in the up-and-coming NoMo district of Charleston. Today we are touring our gorgeous one-bedroom, one-bath A2C floor plan, which features 729 square feet of living space. The first thing you'll notice upon entering are these amazing 9-foot tall floor-to-ceiling windows. Our gourmet kitchens are outfitted with custom home finishes that you'll love, such as subway tile backsplashes, undermounted sinks with gooseneck faucets, custom home cabinetry, and GE stainless steel appliances. Wake up to a beautiful view of the South Carolina Lowcountry, complete with the Arthur Ravenel Bridge. Live, work, and play in downtown Charleston, South Carolina. Welcome home to Foundry Point Apartments. For more information, please call us at 843-410-6485, or you can visit us online at livefoundrypoint.com.